Alright ladies, I'm going to show you what I do with my hair when I do retwist it, the few times a night that I actually do that. So I am going to be working with just plain water in a water bottle and a couple of clips and my hands, and that's it. So there's still a fair amount of definition, but I'm pretty sure if I try to stretch it one more night, I'm going to stretch it completely out and I'll just be left with fuzzy, stringy mess tomorrow. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use my fingers to divide my hair into 4 sections. And these are roughly going to be the same sections that I originally did my twist out in. So I tend to work in 4 quadrants. And I do keep my part where I want it because that is a pain to try and get into my hair after the fact. I usually just end up causing a lot of frizz. Now normally I do twist from the back, but so that I can see what I'm doing and make sure I'm on camera, I'm going to go ahead and start in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and twist that out of the way. And get that put out the way. Okay, so that's my piece of hair that I'm going to start with. So I just wet my hand, spray bottle, rub between my hands, and rub it over my hair. No detangling. It's pretty much already stretched from the twist out and from stretching it for 2 days, so it doesn't take much to get it all moving in the same direction well enough so that it can be twisted without actually going through and detangling it. And then because I use so little water, I don't need to use any more product. I'm just reactivating the product that was already in my hair. Sometimes I will put a little bit of, just a teeny tiny little squirt of water right at the end so that I can twirl to lock off my twist. And that is it. Do it again. And I do twist these rather tightly, but when I do it this way, because I'm not using much water, I don't have to worry about doing it late at night because it doesn't need a whole lot of time to dry. There's no chance that my hair will still be wet first thing in the morning or even damp. And this does go really quickly. So what I'm going to end up with is roughly 16, maybe 17 twists altogether. And if you can see, I'm going at a, here's my spray bottle, I'm going at a pretty rapid pace already. So we are about 4 minutes in and I've done my prep and have started my twist. So if you figure altogether 16, 17 twists, this really shouldn't take me more than 20 minutes to get all done, which I'm not going to record all of that. I'm just going to show you this first quadrant and then you can extrapolate from there. In fact, I usually do this in my chair in front of the TV because it doesn't take any kind of precision whatsoever. And so I usually bang this out while I am watching a show on TV. And if it takes me more than 20 minutes, it's because I've stopped to play games on the computer or I am drinking wine. I'm going to do one more for this part of my hair. Also, when you do it like this, because there's not a whole lot of water, you can do pretty chunky twists. So even if I didn't want to do as many twists as I originally had, I would still end up with a pretty decent result in the morning. Alright, so that is the first quadrant done, and I am only 6 minutes in. So you can extrapolate from that, so 20 minutes at the most. And this is my first video ever. I'm not sure how I'm going to edit it, if I can edit it. If I can get the finished pictures on this video, I will. Otherwise, it will be posted separately. So that's it. I'll talk to you ladies later. Bye. Alright, ladies, I'm back. I finished my twist. Took me about 18 minutes. I'm sorry, 18 minutes total to get that done. So now I am just going to put on my scarf and head to bed. I do sleep on a satin pillowcase usually. And on hot nights I will go without the scarf and just sleep on my pillowcase. But tonight I got my scarf on, so I'll see you ladies in the morning. Good night.